Okay, I'm making blueberry buckle. It's in the cookbook. There's two things I do in here that are different than the cookbook. The one thing, it calls for 1 egg. I use 2. And the other thing is they put 2 cups of blueberries in. They don't put it in the batter. I do. I put 2 cups in the batter and the other 2 cups on top when I'm done. I gotta mix the sugar and the shortening together to make it creamy. And I use a 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of shortening. So right now I'm putting the sugar and the shortening. Gotta mix together so it's creamy. Scrambled up. I gotta put the egg in. Calls for 1, but I put 2 because I like it nice and creamy. I put it in with the sugar and the shortening. And mix it all up. I'm gonna use a fork instead. Okay. The flour in this bowl, and I need 2½ teaspoons of baking soda, baking powder. 1, 2½ Okay, baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna put this in here. Wait a minute, I gotta mix this up. Alright, I mixed up the powder, flour, salt. Now I gotta add the rest of this that I've already mixed. Okay, now I gotta put a 1/2 cup of milk, but I always add extra milk to make it creamy. Okay. Don't ask me how much milk, I just put it that I need it. I only put the milk as needed. It should look like. See how it's starting to get creamy now? If I didn't add the milk, it would just be all powder. A little more. Okay. Now, I gotta put 2 cups of berries. I pour it in. And I mix it up. Okay, now I'm gonna put this, let me get a spoon. I'm gonna put this into the pan. Get my hand wiped here. Put the blueberries in it. All mixed. Okay, now okay, I got it in the pan, so I gotta spread it out. Okay, now I gotta put some more blueberries, but these are going on top. Make sure if you're using the blueberries in the store, you gotta take the stems off. The oven has to go on at 350, and it's 45 to 50 minutes. I'm making the cinnamon crumb for on top. So I have to put a quarter cup of butter to make it crumble. And I need flour, quarter cup of flour. And my quarter cup. Here's a quarter cup of flour. And then I need quarter cup of sugar. Okay. And I need a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah. Not baking powder, not that. Okay. Now I mixed it all up with the butter. Okay, you can stop because this is gonna. What I do here, I have it all crumbled up and then I sprinkle it all over the top. Now I put it in the oven, what I said was at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. Then when it's done, take it out, cut it in squares, and it's ready to eat. This is what it looks like when it's done. Now I'm going to cut a piece. Here's what it looks like.